And go! Ready, set, and go! Where'd the speed arrows go? You gotta create more?
They're up way up the hill.
They're at the turnaround? Let's get there then, okay, Iron Man?
No. I think all the arrows are up top.
Oh, they're at the top?
Yeah, so we have to help. It's not something.
What do you see, flowers?
Arrow. A different arrow.
It's a different arrow?
It says, Ryman for Ryan.
Really?
Yeah.
No way. And who's Ryan?
You.
Is that my name?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's find Malcolm's name now.
Let's find Malcolm's name now.
What's on my name?
Oh, it says Malcolm right there?
Angie Malcolm is name.
It does.
Let's find Calvin's name.
Let's do it. Where's Calvin's? Oh, Calvin, did you find it? I think Big Brother might have found it.
I found it.
What's it say?
Calvin is Raven. Angie is Spidey.
Yes, that's exactly what it says.
So I'm the Raven Iron Man. Macadelic is Iron Man phone.
Macadelic is Iron Man. All right.